Okay, this is problem number 8, and it is not in slope-intercept form, just like number 7 wasn't. So we are going to need to fix this equation so that it has the y by itself. It needs to say y equals mx plus b. So what's bothering the y? We have the 4 bothering the y. So you need to get rid of that 4 so that the y is all alone. I will go ahead and work that out on my whiteboard. So here we have 4y equals 3x minus 4. How do you get rid of that 4 that is so close to the y? It's stuck onto the y. If you recall from previous lessons, when you have a number so close to the letter like that, that means it's being multiplied. So if you want to get rid of it, you have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. So you're going to divide by 4. But if you do it to one side, you must do it to everyone on the other side. You have to do it to the whole side. So we're going to cancel out the 4's. And now the y is alone. And y equals, oops, sorry about that. Y equals 4 does not go into 3, so it's going to stay as an ugly fraction, 3/4 x. 4 goes into 4 once, and a negative over a positive is just going to stay negative. So this is our new equation. Y equals mx plus b. Y equals 3/4 x minus 1. Let's write that down over here. So our new equation is y equals 3/4 x minus 1. Now I can graph this because I see the slope and the y-intercept right in front of me. The y-intercept is the number all by itself without an x, so that would be -1. Our slope, or the m, is right in front of the x. That is the 3/4. This slope is telling me to go up 3 and over 4. I'm going to go ahead and graph this. I will make 4 little lines everywhere just because I see that I have a 4 in my problem. So I'll just do 4 to be safe. I'm always going to graph my y-intercept first. It's -1. So I'm going to go to my y-axis and I'm going to find -1. That would be down 1. I'm going to keep my marker right there and I'm going to move the way my slope is telling me to move. My slope is telling me to go up 3 and over 4. Up 3 and over 4. Connect your dots and you are done. Take a look at the screen and see what graph is this. Does it look more like graph A or does it look more like graph B? Notice that graph A crosses at the +1. And notice that graph B crosses at the -1, just like this one. So graph B is correct.